students, welcome to our geography class. In last some videos we completed 10 lessons. Now let us start lesson number 11, transport and communication. The name of our lesson number 11 is transport and communication. In this lesson, what is meant by transport? Transportation can be done through various means like roadways, railways, waterways, airways, pipelines. Communication is not just limited to talking on telephones or sending message. It is done through video conference also. Communication means video conferring to each other. Here let's recall, complete the following table. Here give a table, transport route, means of transport and use for, in 3 categories. This table, complete this table. Roadways, rickshaw, passengers. Means of transport is rickshaw and used for passengers. Then second point is roadways, means of transport, truck, used for, what is the use of truck? Used for goods. Then third is means of transport, metro. So transport route is railway, then used for passenger. Then next is waterways. Transport route is waterways, means of transport, boats. In waterways, use of transport is boats, used for passengers. Then next, helicopter. So transport route is airways and used for passenger. Then airways also aeroplane and used for passenger. Next is submarine, used for transport route is waterways and used for defense and research. In this way, next point is waterways, cargo ship, used for goods. Mules, means of transport is mules, transport route is roadways and used for goods. Then next, railways, means of transport is cargo goods train, used for goods. Then last is pipeline. Transport route is pipeline, means of transport is pipes and used for oil, water and gases. The next point is, can you tell? We have given some specific condition. In this context, tell with the reason, means of transport and route will you take. Here student, we have some specific condition. In this context, tell with the reason which means of transport and route will you take. Here first is, you have to reach Bhopal from Nagpur due to some emergency. In emergency time, we use the airways as it is the fastest mode of transport. Then next is, you have to reach Kanyakumari carrying the message of cleanliness. There is no time limit for roadways. Since roadways connect even the remote places, the message can reach to all person. Next point is, send the Alfonso mangoes from Konkan to Arab countries. The roadways used for airways. Since mango is a perishable commodity, the fastest mode of transportation is used. Then next is, Indrayani variety of rice has to exported from Pune to Cape Town of South Africa at low expenditure. The answer of this sentence is, in such condition we will choose waterways as a route and ship at means of transport because rice is comparatively durable agriculture good in the given situation in that transported as low cost. Next is, large scale production of vegetables in the Nandurbar has taken place but is not fetching a good price. The Nagpur-Surat National Highway and the Surat-Bhusawal railway lines passes through the district. Answer of this point is, in the given situation, we will choose roadways and railways as a route and truck and good waste and train respectively as means of transport. Next is, you have to go Singapore from your village or town. You have 10 days to do the same. Also use roadway and airways. I will first reach the nearest airport of the city by road and then take airways. It is the fastest mode of transport. This is completed our some points, which means transport route will you take. Next point is geographical explanation. You must have realized that while traveling or transporting goods, we have to consider many things. If there are many ways, means of transport available, then we can think about those alternatives. There are roadways, railways, waterways, airways, and pipelines by which transportation can be done. Here, student, a diagram. Following factors should be kept in mind while selecting the route and the means of transport. This diagram draw in your notebook. Factors to be considered for transportation. Which factors main is to consider as a transport? Distance is the main factor. Then duration, cost, time, products, climate, market, routes and means, and physiography. This factor is considered for the transportation. If we consider the above mentioned factor, that then our time and money is saved during the journey or transport. Traveling becomes comfortable. Traveling also our become comfortable. Transport is done without any damage of goods. It is very necessary. Transport is done without any harm, any damage of goods. The selling price to be paid by the customer is not decided by the cost of production only. It is decided by the transport cost and production cost. The transport of freight should be done rapidly and safely. The price of good can be kept low if the transportation is affordable. Reasonable. Affordable means reasonable. Transportation is a basic fracture. Development of transportation infrastructure is an indicator of the development of the country or that region. The reforms in transport sector enhance the dynamicity of freight and passenger in the region. Also, industries and markets develop. Economic growth gets boosts. Boost means growth. Per capita income PCI. Per capita short form PCI, and gross domestic product GDP increase too. While reading a map, we can easily see the patterns of transport route. We can see the distribution of transport route in the form of dense network at some places and sparse networks at others. In some places, there are no transport routes at all. For what reason does a region become devoid of any transport route? Why does the dense network develop in the some region? This question can arise in our mind. Sometimes this question arises in our mind. To answer this, we need to see the physical map of the region along with the transport map. When we read both the maps simultaneously, we get the answer to those questions. Yes, student.